guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, hi, I am Jukta and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle and DIY. So this is the festive season going on right now, and most of us are super excited about how we are gonna look on Diwali or Kali Pujo, which is gonna come soon. So we all are pretty much excited about that, and this is the time when your skin can act up as well. You can have like some breakouts because you have like an irregular schedule, or you're eating a lot of outside food, etc, etc. So there can be a lot of reasons for which your skin can start acting up, but I thought I should show you guys a small glow up skin care routine during this festive season. You can follow this routine around twice or thrice in the week, maybe like giving 1 or 2 days gap in between, because otherwise your skin can dry up and it can again act up. So just maintain that interval of time where you need your skin to rest properly. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So you can see that I am not decked up for the video because I'm going to show you guys how I do my skincare routine. So there's no point putting makeup and getting dressed. So I'm in my usual outfit, like my home clothes, and also I have literally no makeup on, but I don't have anything on my face as well. So let's start with the beginning. So the first thing is I'm gonna quickly tie my hair and put a headband so that all the hair is out of my face and I can proceed with the skincare routine. I prefer to put my hair in a bun so that even when I'm applying a pack or anything, the hair does not come over my face. I'm using this headband. You can use any headband available in your house, or hair bands, whatever is good for you. You can go ahead and use that. So I'm just gonna pull up all the hair like so, and I'm gonna tighten this thing so that the hair does not come on my face. And yeah, I might look like I don't know, a potato but that's fine because that's what we are gonna do. First, I'm gonna start off by washing my face with a cleanser. Okay, so I don't have makeup on my face, otherwise I would have gotten rid of the makeup first and then I would have cleansed my face again. This process is known as double cleansing. So if you have like makeup on your face, it's always better that you go and double cleanse your face rather than just using a face wash or makeup remover. So today I'm going to use this purifying cleanser by Kaya. So it has salicylic acid and it is formulated for oily and combination skin. Now the benefit of salicylic acid is that it takes out the dead skin cells of your skin and leaves your skin, pretty much clean without any harsh like scrubbing effect. Because if you are applying scrubs, sometimes a sensitive or combination skin can start acting up. So it's better that you go with a face wash which has salicylic acid in it. So it's perfect for a combination skin. And for dry skin, I'm not sure because I haven't really had dry skin, so I really don't know, but this is a very combination skin based skincare routine. So yeah, so I'm going to quickly wash my face and see you right there. So as you can see, I have washed my face and it's pretty squeaky clean right now. And the next step is a step which you can avoid if you have like a tendency to get cold and cough easily. You can avoid that, but it's a very nice and very effective method which I follow, is using ice on my face. Like I apply like 1 or 2 cubes of ice on my face. It's like directly on my face, not with any cloth. I just use a cloth to hold the ice and I just apply the ice directly on my face, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, and if you have like a very high tendency of catching cold and cough easily, then I would rather suggest you wash your face with a little bit of cold water rather than going and rubbing your face with an ice cube. So yeah, let me do that. So after I have applied the ice on my face for like around 10 minutes, I'm ready for the next step, and that is a face pack. I'm gonna make a face pack using chandan powder and that is sandalwood powder, and also some rose water and some tea tree essential oil. So this is also a very combination skin based face pack, because chandan has a very like oil absorbing qualities. So if you have like a dry skin, I would rather avoid going for chandan or sandalwood, and you can switch between those ingredients and you can use something which suits your face. So as you can see, my face pack is ready. It's a bit runny in texture, so that's not a problem because it dries on your skin very dry, super dry. So I'm gonna mix it once again and I'm gonna apply it on my face. Now I'll leave this for around 10 minutes on my face. I'm gonna be back when I wash my face, and see you guys then. So now once I'm done with my face mask, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a sheet mask. I'm using this sheet mask by Nykaa Skin Naturals. This has acai berry pomegranate for regenerated youthful skin. So I'm gonna use this on my face today. Now a good part of sheet mask is that it's very light to the skin, so it actually moisturizes your skin and hydrates your skin rather than making it oily. So it's even good for combination skin. Many people might think that it is full of oils and full of like all the serum and all, it can make your skin very oily, but it does not work that way. So I'm gonna open the sheet mask like that, and yes, I'm gonna quickly put it on my face. Action. So I'm gonna peel the sheet mask from my face. It feels refreshing a lot. So I'm just gonna use the remaining part on the sheet mask to apply on my neck and my face again. I'm just gonna do that quickly. Yeah, don't miss your hands, your elbows. Just gonna apply it on my elbow like so, because it still has a lot of product in it, so that's why. Now your face is pretty much oily right now, so I'm just gonna massage. Action. So my face is a bit like moisturized right now, and it still has the serum on it. It is not yet absorbed fully because I just peeled it off. So in this time I'm just I just like going with my fingers, kind of sculpting my face, if that you will call it. I don't know what you can call it. So yeah, I just go on and do this thing with my knuckles, not knuckles, like I fold my fingers and just kind of use this as a roller, and just gonna push my skin up like so. That's it. For the under eye part, just go smoothly like tapping, and for the forehead, just going this way would do. Or you can use the knuckles and go like straight. And now you gotta let it dry. So to finish off this skincare routine, I'm gonna follow it up with the last step, that is moisturizing with a moisturizer. I'm using Kaya Purifying Nourisher. It has almond oil and rose extracts. It is also for combination and oily skin. So I'm just gonna take like one pump of it because I don't need a lot of product because my face already has the serum, and I'm just gonna rub it between my hands. I'm gonna dab it on my face and neck. And I'm gonna quickly apply it on my face and just gonna massage it a little bit until it gets absorbed. And don't forget your lips. I'm using this lip balm by Himalaya. It's just a random lip balm. You can use any lip balm you want to. Just keep your lips hydrated as well. Yeah. So we are done with our skincare routine. My ears hurt after this. So we are done with our glow up skincare routine. As you can see, my skin already shows a bit of difference and it looks more hydrated and nourished. And you can also follow this for yourself and see the results, and it will actually give you results if you do it twice or thrice a week. So don't forget to do that. So that is it for my video today. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. If you did, then don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Comment down below on what you guys would like to see on my channel next, and share this video with your friends, and have a happy and safe Diwali, you guys. Bye.